The Executive Agency for Higher Education, Research, Development, and Innovation Funding, UEFISCDI, is one of the participants in the Open and Universal Science Project, serving as one of the pilot organizations testing the research assessment framework. This framework includes interventions and indicators designed to incentivize and reward researchers for adopting open science practices. As the primary funder of competitive research in Romania, this organization plays a crucial role in promoting and implementing open science.
UEFISCDI provides policy advice with regards to research, development, and innovation, and specifically for open science policies. Since 2018, our institution coordinated and developed the Open Science Knowledge Hub. This team in the Open Science Knowledge Hub were involved in coordinating the National Open Science Strategic Framework for Romania. Also provided open science recommendations to be included in a bigger strategy, the National Strategy on Research, Innovation, and Smart Specialization for the time interval 2022-2027. Proposals to support the transition to open science developed by us were included in the National Plan for Research, Development, and Innovation, which is the main instrument to implement the bigger strategy on research, development, and innovation and smart specialization.
Our team developed various guidance documents on open science practices, such as citizen science, open access to publications, research data management, fair data, which are published on the Open Science National Portal and also on UEFISCDI website.
Open Science Knowledge Hub was involved in developing a national portal for open science, which was launched in December 2022. And we've also developed an open science community as part of the BrainMap platform that we administrate, and Ivana mentioned about this earlier, about this platform. So we also offer support for raising awareness and also for capacity building to support the transition to open science. We have other instruments as well to support this capacity building, and we organize webinars at national level with different representatives, different stakeholders in the country to support the open science practices.
This organization has participated in numerous initiatives and implemented various measures to promote open science principles.
We're connected really well to the European initiatives, international initiatives supporting open science, where the Open Air node in the country, we're an RDA node. We are also part of the UEFISCDI Association as an observer. We collaborate with Science Europe a lot in terms of the activities dedicated to open science. We're part of the working group. So this international and European initiatives helped a lot our work in terms of developing policies and implementing them, because these serve as European platforms, international platforms, to mutual share what we learn from what we try to implement in terms of open science. We also collaborate with the UNESCO chair on science and innovation policies in Romania. We've collaborated in this regards with UNESCO on different streams regarding open science. And we also ourselves implement projects with European funds dedicated to open science, apart from OPUS, we're also part of other projects dedicated to open science.
The Executive Agency for Higher Education, Research, Development, and Innovation Funding in Romania has made significant strides in integrating open science principles within its research practices and policies.
We developed the National Open Science Strategic Framework and help in that part. We're now focusing on the implementation part and try to support the community as much as possible. One way we do that is through the OPUS project. We pilot, as my colleague Ioana mentioned, we pilot new criteria for open science in a specific funding instrument in our country. So, and we try through this criteria to promote and introduce the request for data management plans as a practice in this grants assessment awarding processes. This comes with a lot of challenges at the institutional level, and we mapped these challenges in the OPUS project.
It is important to mention the fact that this is the first time that we introduce this mandatory provision for the successful project to develop the data management plans in accordance with the FAIR principles.
OPUS, for open and universal science, and making researchers the heroes they truly are.